Friends, welcome to my channel, and first of all thank you for subscribing my channel. And those who have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it. So today's my project is how to make this double side card, which is very easy to make. So let's start with the procedure. For this card you will be require an A4 size plain sheet. So first step is to fold it from the center like this, and after folding it from center we have to fold from its sides like this, and after folding it will open like this. After opening it, we have to take a scale and pencil and mark 1 centimeter distance. Friends, after marking the distance of 1 centimeter, I have cut it. So we have to make stand the paper like this, and we have to fold it alternately like this. After folding it alternatively, I have added a piece of paper of same length and breadth, and I am inserting now this paper in this cage. As I have inserted my both the blue papers in this cage, so it is looking somewhat like this. Now you can write the messages in between on yellow color paper or on a blue color paper, and it will open like this. And you can decorate the sides of the yellow color, which will make your card complete. So this is the double open card. So my project for today is done. Hope you like it. So please subscribe my channel, like and comment also. So, as I have inserted the second blue paper in this cage, so it is looking somewhat like this. You can write the messages on the yellow strip also, or a blue strip, and but please don't apply the glue on it. So after looking it, so